Irrigation contractors, don't rely on others to come out and do your leak detections. Keep the leak detections in-house, perform them on your own, and convert leak detections into big money repairs. Stop digging and guessing. That's what we hear from these irrigation contractors. They're gonna find a leak, they're gonna dig in a puddle. That's the wrong way to go about doing these leak detections. That's what we teach you absolutely not to do. We're going to teach you how to find them fast, easily, and effectively, whether they're under dirt or whether they're under concrete. Our technical support is unmatched. You don't believe us? Give us a try. We will walk you through it. We will FaceTime with you through it. We will ask you the right questions and help you diagnose these leaks properly. We provide you with a 5-year bulletproof warranty. Drop your amp in a muddy puddle, send it back to us, it's going to get fixed with no questions asked. For more information, visit LeakTronics.com, click the link below to set up a one-on-one call, check out our YouTube channel, check us out on social media, we're everywhere.